I come to punch, swing.
Focus on trying to drop elbows a little bit too towards the head if you get your arm cleared. There you go, good. Use the knees. 30 seconds. There you go. Good. Now use, there you go. Good. 15 seconds. Good. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.